Mahilig ka rin ba sa gummies tulad ko? Tara, mag-unboxing tayo. Oh my gosh, ang dami candies. Meron tayong Trolli Candy Pizza, Sour Gecko, Popeye, Trolli Halloween Mix, Trolli Gummy Lunch. Merong pizza, merong burger, merong fries and cola. Party burger, assorted gummies. Shocks yung favorite ko, sour glowworms. Try natin buksan to. Asim, napaka-nostalgic. Yung unang kagat mo, ang maaalala mo nung bata ka, tapos nagtatakbuhan kayo habang kumakain ng gummy worms or gummy bears. Hindi lang to pang kids, but also for kids at heart. Let the fun win with Trolli Wonder Play sa SM Grand Central, Caloocan. This coming October 19 to November 4, 2024. So, kita-kits! Follow Trolli Philippines on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.